Welcome, today in front of me HUAWEI Nova 10 Pro, and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So first open the settings application and then tap to the home screen and wallpaper. Here you'll see wallpaper section. Tap here once and now we can select our new wallpaper from our device gallery, previously taken photo on our device or download it from the internet, for example. Also we can use our default wallpapers, or here in more wallpaper section we can find the online wallpapers. How to set them on your lock screen I'll tell you a little bit later. So now let's just select one from the defaults. Click for example here and tap to apply. Now just select lock screen, wait just a second or a couple of seconds, and now let's just lock our device and we can see that we just successfully changed the lock screen wallpaper. If you want to make it just by another way, you just can hold for a while and I'll just swipe it with your two fingers at the same time to the center by this way, and on the left down corner tap on the wallpaper section. You will just open directly the wallpaper settings here, and now we can select these wallpapers, or also we can click here to more wallpapers. But to use online wallpapers, tap here next and agree. We should be connected to the Wi-Fi or just to another mobile data. And now we can select one from these wallpapers. Here you can select the categories that you can find here at the tops or your wallpapers. For example, let's use this one. Click here to download. We can just preview how this wallpaper will look on your home lock screen. Tap apply and select the lock screen, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.